Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. So I've got the review video complete for the Magicycle Deer Mini, and whenever I complete a review, then I go ahead and throw on the accessories. And I really didn't do anything different. I've done pretty much the same accessories on all my bikes, but in case you haven't seen one of those other videos, I'll show you what I did here real quick. All right, so I've always just added a few things here. We'll just go ahead and start in the cockpit area, I suppose. I added my favorite bar-in mirrors. So this is the Briskmore with the blue tint to cut down on the sun glare. And I like those. They're adjustable in multiple different ways. And they come as a set. So I don't care for the ones where you have to buy, the left and then go and buy the right separately. These come as a set, and they're a good price. And then I went ahead and added my Odensberg bag. Now, I didn't add a new bag to this bike. I just transferred one from another bike because, these are $50 each, and I'm not going to buy a bag for every bike that I get. And this already had some stuff in it, so I just transferred it over. But it fits there nicely right underneath the display. It connects to the handlebars right back here, and it's a nice tight fit. So I like that. And here's the cell phone holder that I always like. It's the Lambical. And it's the kind that you just push up on it and it grabs your cell phone and it holds it nice and tight. So I like that. I'm changing out these grips. If you saw the review video, I mentioned that these grips slip a little bit and I don't like that. So I ordered grips. They're not here yet, but I got the ones that you can tighten down so they're not going to move. And they've got that rubbery feel, which I like. And down here, I do have a strap and I do have my garage door opener right there so I can go in and out of the garage nice and easy. Here's my favorite seat. This is I think the 5th saddle now that I have from Blue Wind. We kind of migrated to these saddles because everybody in the family likes them. They're just a really good saddle. So I stopped looking, I stopped looking and testing other saddles out. I'm just gonna stick with this one for right now. And I do have a suspension seat post. I wasn't sure if I was gonna add a suspension seat post or not because, since this does have dual suspension, but I figured why not? It's not gonna hurt, right? And in doing so, I learned that this is quite a bit larger seat post there, and that's a 33.9 millimeters, what you need for the Magicycle Deer. And let's see here. Back here, I went ahead and added my gear bag back here, and it fits okay on that. I didn't use the straps that came with the Magicycle Deer. I probably, could have, or at least tried them out, but I just strapped it on there like I always do, and put one of these Tri-Lancer straps right across the top so I can easily slide my water bottle underneath that. And let's see here. So the only other thing I'm thinking about doing, and I haven't decided yet, and I'm thinking about getting the rack that attaches here. Not a basket, but just the rack that's kind of like L-shaped. And let me know what you think. Is that, do you think I should do that? I think it'll add to the bike, the looks of the bike. It's going to add to the utility of the bike because it gives me a little more space to strap something down if I go to the store and I don't have my cargo bike with me, because that bag does eat up all the space back there. So I think that's going to be a necessity, put one of those on there. And Magicycle sells them, so we'll just have to go and see about that. Let's see here. What else? That's it. That's all I've done. I did order, or I'm going to order, a chainstay guard, I think, for down here. Now, it looks like they do have a piece of tape right here on the top to help protect that a little bit, but there's quite a bit of chain slap when you're going off the curbs and things like that. And so I don't want this to get all tore up, so I'm thinking I'm going to get one of those, it's like a neoprene wraps that you put on there just to kind of protect this. But of course, when you do that, then you kind of miss out on the Magicycle branding right here and the two-tone colors, but that's okay. Let's see what else here. Yeah, that's it. So that's really all I'm going to do to this bike, because this bike is ready to go. It's ready to rock, and I'm going to be rocking it here in just a few minutes because I'm going to go hit the road again and get out there and just enjoy it. So if you have any questions about any of these accessories, drop them down below. Let me know and I'll get back to you. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It's always appreciated. If you're new here, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video real soon.